This is from Stephanie.
Yes, I love this. Oh, so
What
good.
a good recipe for
I
a
can see the
creamy
question.
ranch type. That's okay, you get to see. For a ranch type dressing for salad that's healthier than packaged dressing. So we want a good recipe for creamy ranch type.
So what you need to do is get an MSG-free package of ranch seasoning, and there's one out there. It's from the famous company that makes the ranch. They also make another MSG-free one. And I use low-fat buttermilk and all-natural fat-free Greek yogurt. There's actually a recipe in my last book for it because I love ranch, and it's amazing. It's essentially fat-free, sugar-free, and so good. What makes ranch so good is the thick, creamy dairy and the mix of the garlic and all those spices.
Right. So to replace the dairy, what do you do?
If you want to replace the dairy completely, you could use
the milk?
Well, milk wouldn't replace dairy. You could. I don't think she was asking to replace dairy.
One of those almond milks or soy milks?
I don't think almond milk would be too good, but soy milk could work. Yeah, as long as it's not a sweet one.
Good.
Yeah, the thing with soy milk and almond, they sweeten them automatically a lot.
Right.
So you got to be careful to make sure it's unsweetened.
Right, right.